sometimes too. Stuff like that.
I was like, I'm gonna get you. Oh, that is so funny.
Hey dear. Hey dear. Not afraid of heights at all.
It's just so funny.